Thank you very much for your time. I'm the facilitator for this course. Of course, you already know my name. So, this this exercise is focusing on the exercise we did in the class that raised a lot of questions in the mind of students. So, I thought it wise to do it again so that we can be able to watch it at your own pace, pause it, practice, and then go ahead. So it almost is there. It's just like a self-paced stuff we want to do. So carefully watch the video. It will be uploaded in our Google Classroom. So make sure you are part of that classroom so that we can be able to do the joint exercise tomorrow. So the topic we're talking about is lane navigation. Okay, lane navigation, a relative lane navigation, wherein we built a whole website and one that website to link to one another. The web pages within our website to link to one another. Some websites you notice that they have sections. Sections. Maybe you see something like about us. You see something like contact us page. Apply online, depending on what type of website you're building. So the different pages that form the complete website, how do they link to one another? How is it that when you click on About Us, it takes you to About Us page? If you click on Contact Us, it takes you to Contact Us page. So the relationship, the link navigational relationship between the various web pages of a specific websites is what we're going to exercise to demonstrate tonight. So again, we're on the topic relative link navigation. So please watch so that we can dive into it quickly. So rule number one who said before web pages of the same websites communicate, link to one another, all of them are to be placed in one root directory folder. Okay, in one root directory folder, and that folder is a parent folder. So if you want picture to be uploaded, if you want video to be uploaded, if you want audio to be uploaded, any other objects, including a web file that you wanted to talk to be linked together, you have to place everything in one folder. So what we'll do first, we'll have to create one root directory folder or the parent folder. So just watch the screen. I hope it's clear for you. Yeah. So let me try to magnify. Maybe you see what I'm talking about. NAG and magnify well. Okay. So at least it's much better now, right? So we will create one file here, sorry, a folder, and come to new. This is just info 101. This folder will be called, you can name it with any name, okay? But for the sake of this exercise, we'll call it stars, right? For the stars. And please, the naming convention says that our root directory folder or the parent folder should have a single name. Don't divide the name because we'll be making reference to them. So um the first exercise we did, we use Notepad, then we move to Notepad plus plus. But for this exercise, I will be using Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open Visual Studio Code. You see, I open Visual Studio Code. Let me see something. Let me magnify so that you see something. Okay, Visual Studio Code has already opened, as you can see the interface, right? So we'll open fresh new page, fresh new file. So to do that, we will have to create new file. Mm, Come to new. All of you know this one already. So we come to new, and then there is someone that want to build a simple website for stars. And on that website, we want to have full pages, full web pages for the site. Okay, now completely for the entire site. So our first web page will be home. We want when web visitor load our website, let them go straight to home, right? So we name this one home. We name it home. So let's say HOME, home. Create this, and then we say this is home.html. So we are saving the file now, right? So to save this file, we say everything has to be placed in our parent directory or the root directory. So click on desktop, and then you look for the folder we created today, and that is stars, right? Here is stars. Open stars, and we see this working side. So this is a fresh new page. So in Notepad, sorry, in Visual Studio Code or VS Code, to to by default to create the HTML structure, HTML file structure, just press the exclamatory key on your keyboard. Definitely press the tab, and it sets the entire elements structure for you. So I do that again. I press the exclamatory mark, then I press the tab key. There is a key on the keyboard called tab. I press the tab, it insert everything for me. So here I don't have to type everything, data type, HTML, language, blah blah blah. No, I don't have to do all this. No. So you see automatically it insert our body right here. So this is our first page, and then within this page, by default, the page we said the letter we hide in the class they contain the in-person classes. The name of the file should commensurate with the page title, right? So if this file is home, that means that the title for this page, therefore, page should be named after the file that is home. So say home. I hope you get it. Yeah, say home. Now, that's correct, home. And then I click on it. So this first page is a home page for our website. We're not going to be writing a lot of structures or plenty HTML elements in this body. The purpose and objective of this particular video is to help you link to full pages and make of our website. How do we link them? And of course, we say when you are linking more than two web pages of the same website is called what relative link navigation. But if you're linking a certain page of your website with another website outside of your website, it's called absolute, right? And so this exercise is relative link navigations. So we're going to create something like H1 so that we can identify our page's name. So we'll put H1 here, and within the H1, let's just create something on the page that will show that this file is for home, this file for contact us, this file for this file for that, so that when navigating between it, you'll not be able to be confused, okay? So we'll say this is home, this is our home page, this is our home page. Got it. So here now, we put our link, okay? You can put a link in but just want to, for the exercise sake, okay? So we said to begin with the link, we use the anchor tag, right? Yeah, we use the anchor tag. So let me make this very big, a little bit bigger. Okay. Yeah, I think it much bigger so that I can see how it look like. Yeah, I think it's preferable. So here we put our anchor tag. Okay. And between the closing and the opening anchor tag, we say is the hypertext, right? The link, the name of the link. So if this link is about home, or what we'll do first, okay, let's try to save this file, okay? Oh, we already saved this file, class. Don't get confused now. Okay, here is it. Okay, it's there. I already saved this one. Okay, this is home. So let's create our empty file first. The empty raw file, web page file, and let's save all of them for them for now move to the next page, creating a link. So since this is mm, our first page we created, this is the home page. Now let's create the second page. We say the second page should be what? About us. But because we don't want to rewrite the entire code, you know, again, we just you already did info 101. We just save this file and replicate it with another name. We come to save as and we look for where is save as. Okay. Now the first one was on right, so you name it this one was about us about.html. Good. Now you go to your desktop and then open your parent folder, your root directory folder, which is tasks. Then from there you save about us. Now see you have two different files now. Now the third file, but for us to distinguish this file from the first one, because this one is about us already, okay? So you change the heading to this is our about us page. So that you see the difference between them. Maybe when you did about us page. Good. Now I save it. Now as we save this thing again with contact contact.html because I want to replicate. So I'll go back to my styles, open it, and then save this one as our contacts. Now if I check here, I have contacts here. But then I have to change the heading so that it shows on the website that it is a contact page. So we say contact us page. Let's say contact us page here. Contact us page. Whatever way you want to do is UN contact us page, right? And save. Good. Now the third page was the homepage about us, contact us page. Let's say we want for students to get resources, to get maybe books or other things we want to publish on our website. Okay, or let's say media. Okay, we'll create section for pictures for gallery. So this one was save as what media, MEDIA, media.html, where I will save it in the same as beautiful. That close everything. See, we have four different files we have created. Four different files. The good thing about this video is you will pause at your own pace and then you continue. So let's go to, we'll make sure all these files communicate together. Okay, we will link them because when we link them, then it means that we have a complete website because website contains group of related pages, web pages. But then how do we link them is the focus of today's discussion. But the first exercise, the preliminary exercise for the answer of this video is just to help you how to organize them and how to place them in one parent directory folder or the root directory folder. Because if one of them is outside of this folder, they will never be able to be linked. So that will be our homepage first, you see. It's supposed to load. Why is not loading? See something. I open it with S. It's the computer. See something. Open, all right. Mhm. Okay, let's see why is it that it's not displaying content. Open it with Visual Studio Code. Why is it? Let's see something. Mm. Oh, really? So It means that we did not create any stuff in this. Okay, no problem. We'll see how to do that. So, but we already saved now, okay? So that was saved now already. Yeah, already registered. So let's just create um our structure, in it. So you press exclamatory mark, press tab, good. So this is a home page. And this one, let's see something. Aha, this one appear. And then contact. Okay, contact appear. Then media. This media, right? We didn't change media. Okay, we gotta go and change the content of media. Media. Change the one to media. M-E-D-I-A media. And then the media uh organizational ORGA just to identify on the web page. And as the ATION organization photo photo history photograph. Okay, GRPH photograph. And then we'll save it. When you open it back, okay, we got something at least to identify. All right, so the title that we name today, this title, the particular title, you see how it's going to name the page. This title here will appear here to identify that on this website we are in the media tab page. So the title name will appear on the top of the page. So that means that we'll have to change the title of each of these one by one. I open this maybe. Okay, we didn't create anything for this one. Okay, so we'll close this. Open home back. Mhm. Okay, this is home, right? So we change the one to home. Just empty home. That will create contacts. We'll create one page here. Create page one. Okay. See, this is one right? This is our home page. Okay. Let's save it. Close it. Okay, yeah, here now. And then contact. Okay, something there. Then about us, do we have something there? Good. All of our web pages are identities that we can identify on the website, right? That go down and link them. All of them in the same folder, not so. So to link them, we'll go to home, then we'll link all three of them about us, contact us, media to this home. We want when you hit the home button, all of our link appear on the home page, okay? All of our link appear on the home page. So now if we should do it in-person class, we did it the other way, but today I'll add a little feature to it. So now open home and Visual Studio Code. Okay, here we'll create a list. We'll create a list of things and then we'll be able to name everything now, okay? So let's see. A create list of on our list. I put our link in list on our list. Putting on our list. Then here we'll put list. Put list. Okay. Within this list, amplify. Within this list, see here within there is all wow angata. Okay. Good. So that get coffee because we want our link to come all the way down as the like a bullet point, okay? So we just copy this one. Oh, we don't want to rewrite it. Paste it. How many was there? Contact us, about us, and media, right? So that three. So we paste the other one here. So the name of this link, the first one, we want to link about us to home, right? So we go about us. And the next one, we put what? Contacts, contacts, contact us, or let's just say about. Okay, we do us now. About. The third one, we say is what? Third one is to media and media. Okay. Now all of them will appear as the list, right? Media. Okay. Now these are the link. Let's see how you appear. Let's save it first. Mhm. Good. You see how they appear? About now the contact, I put the contact in small. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. All of them. Now we want when you this is the home page, right, of our website. The first page that when you load it, when you put on your website, it will show. We want anytime where we say click on about us, it carry us to this about us page. You see, we want anytime somebody click on contact us, it carry us to contact us page to get information. And likewise, media, it carry us to what media. Okay. Now, first thing first, we just inserted made a list, okay? But we are not turning it to a link. To do it to a link, to turn it to a link, we said we should use the attribute called what? href. Don't forget href. So that go to the first one, contact with href, okay? And then if, because we're at the home page, right? If you want this link to get you straight to about us page, it means that the about us page that we created today, here, this one. I will say the one, there's a file, it's an HTML file. The name of this about us will come right here. Remember, this is just the name of the link that will appear on the page. And then when you see here. But then where the link is taking you to the URL, that the Uniform Resource Locator, where they to the which page in your website that when you click on about us should take you. Of course, it will take you to about us, right? So you put the about us page name. ABOUT. Very good. Visual Studio already finished picking up the HTML. And when you look in it, one is an HTML page, is an HTML file, it has HTML extension. So don't just put app dot, don't just put about us, always put about.html. And you save it. Okay, you refresh your page. This one has them to link, right? When you click on it, beautiful. It takes us to what? About us page. Remember, this is the about us page. So we don't want to manually be coming in the computer, click on rolling on, manually. So we just want to remain right to the home page and then connect to it. Just take us straight there. Now let's do the same thing to contacts. So all you do, just come to contact, href, contact, the HTML, same thing to media, href, and media. Good. When you save these three guys, and then you load your home page, beautiful, all three lines appear. So this take you to our about us page. See that? This let's refresh. This take you to our contact us page. Beautiful. Then refresh media page, just like that. All three are not working. But then you notice that every time we come on About Us page, no way to go back to the home page, right? So it means that we have to create another link in each of those pages that will link us back to the home page. So the easier way is that since we already have these links already coded in our home page right here, we just copy and paste the entire link block code to each of those various web page Visual Studio Code, so the source code. So as what do I call this one? Mhm. Then I'll open let's start with About Us. I'll open About Us. Okay. So I just paste it here because I don't want to rewrite it. But remember, I am in the About Us, so that change the title of the page. About. Okay. So say I'm in About, it doesn't make sense to link the page to itself. No. So if you are in About, then the first one will be as well. You change it to Home because you want to link it back to Home. Okay. Then of course you have to change this URL to Home, right? Go to the home page. Now, this contact and media can remain the same because they are not within About Us. They are other stuff. So we'll copy and paste the whole plot to contact me. We'll change contact to home too. So that it works. I'll save this one. Good. Let's go back to the home page and refresh. And About Us here, remember? You see, we got replicated, so everything will appear on the About Us page. And we'll tell to contact. So now no other link here too, right? So you have to go back and, and copy the whole link and then put to contact us too. So you open contact us right here, and then you paste. But with here now, right to the contact, you have to change this one to one About Us because you can't link contact us page. You can't be on contact us page, then you have contact us link. No, it doesn't make sense. So you change it on to about about us, and the links will be changed to about. Which is the name of the link should be in conventional line or should commensurate with the URL ending so that it doesn't confuse the browser. So you save this one. So now our three pages, only one left, right? And make contact, sorry, media. So you copy and paste the whole thing too. Go back, right click, open media with VS Studio Code, and you paste it right here. And what you notice, because you're in media, right? So you change the media to contacts. CONTACT contacts. Then change this one to contacts. CONTACT contacts. Okay. Now we save this all through the entire, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 pages are connected. They are integrated. They are interconnected. So the fact that they are interconnected, you can see all of them on one single page. It becomes a website because they have 4 pages that are then linked. That's you switching between them, navigating between them, and then transferring, accessing information from one page to another page. So the combination of multiple web pages of the same website that are linked together give you website. So if you even probably either of this one here, but this you get home. See here? This is home page, right? You can go back to About Us page. This is About Us page. Go back to contact page, go back to media, and then media. So the entire link work. So you only recognize it based upon this sentence, based on put heading so they can know. So you have click on About Us. Notice that the title of the page will change to what about contacts. Well, we did not change contacts title. So you gotta go back and then change this one to contact, CONTACT contacts, and you see media. Let's see. Okay, media already got it open. About us. Okay, got it about us. The home. Okay, so my order name. That tab. When you click on home, the the title of the page will show. Contact. It tells you in the contact tab. Media. In the media tab. So you see, all of them are integrated. So this is really nice. So thank you plenty. This is just a 30-minute videos. And if we would like to take the link, the default link, this la, one of these things will be another video. But the scope and objective of this video is to help you build a navigational relative link so that you can have a complete website. Without navigation link, you can have a website because all these web pages are supposed to be integrated to one another, and you can switch between there, and then web user can get access. So the combination of these give you website. Thank you plenty for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, during our discussion tomorrow, ask more questions. Okay, so I'm going to post this video on our Google chat room, and if our class don't reach, you will have to log onto the site. You watch the video, do your part, then upload, submit your presentation. Okay, so before 9 o'clock, the video will be up, and there are a lot of points that will be attached to the video. I will tell you. So thank you, see you, and then have a good day.